And the mountains in the background. Hello, hello. Welcome back. If you can't tell, we're going camping. Oh my god, guys, we're going camping. We had to take the long way to get to where we're going. We're going to Winthrop in eastern Washington, passing through Leavenworth. Right now, we're stopping for dinner. We're getting pizza right now at Rudolph's Pizza. Like, we're in the mountains. How pretty with the sunset. Dinner time. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Do you want to tell them what we're doing?
We're going camping today and we're getting pizza right now. And on the way here we saw a cub.
Oh, you saw a cub?
Yep, a cub.
A bear cub?
It was about across the street on the edge. And after this we're going to get ice cream.
We're getting ice cream.
It's called Whistlepunks.
We're going to go to Whistlepunk.
Ooh.
They make homemade waffle cones, and they have lots of maple and vanilla. They're delicious.
Their time calls for a Dr. Pepper. Pizza is here. We're ready to eat.
Wait, let it cool off. It is super hot.
You gotta eat this up. I'm about to eat this up. You already know. Ooh. It's on angel. This has to be my favorite town in eastern Washington. Has to be, without a doubt. No traffic out here. Jeez. On that double content life, you already know. Jeez. Whistlepunk ice cream. We've got a long line. That just means good ice cream. Good ice cream.
Ice cream?
What? Yeah?
In the bookstore.
Oh, so exciting.
The bookstore in Leavenworth.
I got cookies and cream. It's got like chunks of cookies and stuff. Cheers! Look at that cone. Cheers! My ice cream. I see the waffle cone is pretty valid. It tastes like coconut oil. Yum! Oh, somebody's got their ice cream!
Guess what? I wanted a big cone, and my mom ordered a small cone and 2 big cones. And Granny got the big cone, and I got the other big cone, and my mom got the small cone because I wanted a big cone.
What do you rate it?
It's very, 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 very good.
Hey guys, we finally made it to our camp spot. It's really late. Can't see. It's 11:06. Tired. Setting up our tent so we can go to sleep. Good morning and welcome back to the vlog. We set up our site last night. About to get started on some breakfast and get the day started. I'm so tired. It's 8:52 right now. I'm about to make myself some eggs and toast and then we're gonna go have fun, have a lit day. And for camping breakfast, we've got eggs, toast, and can't forget my Celsius. So fire. Camping food is always a little rough, I feel like, or cook it like how you cook it at home. This toast, burnt. Look at that. Burnt baddies. So fire though. We gotta go swimming. We're gonna go to the lake today. We have a stand-up paddleboard and a kayak. I'm so excited. And we're gonna go to the pool. Vlog. I was born by the river. I was born by the river. Down by the river bank. I'm gonna dip my toe in, singular toe. Just chilla, chilla, chilla. What is going on down by the river? We at the pool, ready to tan, ready to swim, ready to get our summer on. I'm about to be such a bronzed goddess. I'm using the Australian Gold. It's SPF 15. I'm using this to get my tan on. This white skin ain't no joke.
I got a floaty.
Oh no, that's not a floaty. That is for emergencies. She really goes, oh my god, it's a floaty.
Come over here. Hey.
Like, boy, that's the life-saving.
3, 2, 1, go.
That anti-life!
No, say 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Woo!
Ready?
I'm about to lay out here like a sausage. No, like a rotisserie chicken baking. Skin cancer never felt so good. I love it. Yes. Sizzling side of it. Celeste just came back from the campsite. It's not how you put it on. No, she's doing that to herself. We have made it to the lake. Lake Pearrgen. We are paddleboarding with our Barbie paddleboard. Cheers! And then we've got Mom and her juicy kayak. You already know this is about to be a lit tit time. On top of all of that, we have our Red Bull spritzers. Green apple, peach, and coconut with cream.
Who bought that for you?
My favorite. Woo! Oh, brr. Y'all, this lake is chilly AF. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to go swimming. It's chilly on my toes. I'm about to take the kayak out. Juliana's already out there on her piddly paddleboard. We're back from the beach. We are exhausted. What do we got? We got baked potatoes.
Oh yeah, but they will be.
And they're gonna go in the fire.
And then
Fire.
later, we're gonna have some
Ooh, s'mores. Got our juicy big back fire. We're gonna roast all our foods on. 1, 2, 3, 4 potatoes. I don't want the fire to get inside my potatoes. Check it out. All the fixings for s'mores. All from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's sponsor me. Ah. Good morning from camping. I'm about to go get ready. Today's our last day here. I'm so sad. I'm about to go back to Leavenworth, and we're about to have a super lit time. Just wait until y'all see. Hey, we've made it back to beautiful Leavenworth. We're gonna eat. W's in the shots.
W's in the shot.
Anita Maxween. Anita Maxween.
Anita Maxween. Anita Maxween.
A little Bardillion village.
Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it.
Psychotic. be very close to the water. Look at this bug. What the dog doing?
What the dog doing?
Pink! We came out to eat. Where are we? Where are we? At Full Chucks. We're sitting like royalty. Let me show you. We got Juliana. So pretty. Like, how pretty is this? Like my view while I'm eating.
Insane. All I could ever want.
That's what I'm saying. This is our Thai tea. Jeez. Thank you, Shirley Temple. Cheers. Camera eats first. We got pretzel bites, fries, Shirley Temple, Thai tea. Okay. Let's try this.
It's cheese sauce.
Cheese sauce. Tea. Then we got ranch. That's the problem. French fry.